హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ధృవి అకాడమిక్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఛానల్. ఇందులో ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ అన్ని అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ మై ఛానల్. మీరు కనుక నా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వాచ్ చేస్తే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కాదు, లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. లెట్స్ బిగిన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ 6th క్లాస్ లెసన్ ప్యాట్స్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్స్. ఆ లెసన్లో నుంచి MCQs అనేవి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. First one, these give shape and support to the leaf. Which gives shape and support to the leaf? Is it a stem or venation or fibrous root or shape of the leaf? Which is the right answer? Its answer is B, venation. These give a shape and support to the leaf. And this venation is present in a leaf. Water and some nutrient transport in a leaf. Those are the function of a venation. Next, nose of the leaf. Is it lamina, petiole or stomata style? What is the nose of the leaf? Is it a it's a stomata. Stomata useful for the exchange of gases kada between the plants and the atmosphere. Next, stomata or dash shaped. Is it oval, round, disc, bean shaped? What is the shape of a stomata? Its answer is bean shaped. D. దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే another name is bean or kidney shaped. And these stomata dash bean shaped, this bean or kidney shaped చెప్పాను కదా, these bean shaped is also called as a god cells. Among the following this is a modified stem. Is it turmeric, carrot, radish, sweet potato? Which is the modified stem? Its answer is a turmeric. A is the right answer. And other examples like garlic, ginger, sugarcane, they also modified a stem. And carrot, when we come to carrot, it's a modified root. And radish వచ్చేసరికి it's a modified tap root. And sweet potato వచ్చేసరికి adventitious root. మనకి ఇవి modified stems, roots ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఇవి మనకి కంపల్సరీ ఎగ్జామ్లో బిట్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయి. Next one, potato is a modified. Is it root or branch or stem? All the above. Which is the right answer? It's a potato. It's a stem. It's a modified stem. Usually, we call it. It's a tuber. Kada ground and underground lo untai potatoes ivanni. So usually we call as a tubers. Potato is a modified stem. C is the right answer. Example for fibrous root plant is it marigold, paddy, mango, neem. Which is the right answer? ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ ఫైబ్రస్ రూట్ ప్లాంట్ ఇట్స్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ఏ ప్యాడీ కాకుండా మనకి అందర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లైక్ వీట్, మేజ్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఏంటంటే మనకి ఫైబ్రస్ రూట్ కింద అదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. నెక్స్ట్, రూట్లెట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్యాప్ రూట్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఇస్ ఇట్ హారిజాంటల్ రూట్స్, longitudinal roots, lateral roots, fibrous root? Which is the right answer? Its answer is a C. Lateral root is the right answer. Rootlets of a taproot are called as lateral roots. What is taproot? First we should know what is a taproot. Taproot is nothing but it's a long and thick root present. Danni taproot antamu, and it's deeply penetrated into the soil. That is about a taproot. The part that gives support to the leaf, is it petiole, leaf base, leaf blade or lamina? Which is the right answer? The part that gives support to the leaf, its answer is a leaf base. B is the right answer. It gives support to the leaf. The long vein present in the middle of the lamina is called, is it petiole, midrib, windlets or a leaf base? Which is the right answer? Its answer is a midrib. B is the right answer. This is the middle of the lamina is called a midrib. దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే it's we can also call as a midvein, right? In which part pollination takes place? Everybody knows the pollination takes place in a flower because it is a attracting part in a part of a plant, right? Answer is flower. Where is the leaf attached to the stem? Is it petiole, veins or leaf base or lamina? Which is the right answer? Its answer is petiole. A is the right answer. The leaf attached to the stem, petiole. Next, transpiration occur in the part. Is it a stem, leaf, root or petiole? Which is the answer? Actually, usually transpiration occur in the plants in the leaf part. B is the right answer. Which part can attract insects? Just now only we discussed. It's a root, a leaf, a stem, a flower. Its answer is a flower. D is the right answer. The following root is called a tuberous root. Is it ginger, onion, carrot, or potato? The following root is called a tuberous root. It's a carrot. C is the right answer. క్యారెట్ కాకుండా ఇంకేంటి అదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ రాడిష్, బీట్రూట్, ఇవన్నీ ఏంటంటే ట్యూబరస్ రూట్. Dash act as a nose in the leaf. Just we discussed is stomata, lamina, veins, or root. Stomata are useful for the exchange of gases. A. Which part can give support to fix the plant tightly into the soil? Everybody knows that leaf or stem or root or flower. రూట్సే కదా మనకి ప్లాంట్కి ఎక్కువ టైట్గా ఫిక్స్ చేసుకుంటాయి అండర్ గ్రౌండ్లో. సో ఇట్స్ సపోర్ట్ ద ప్లాంట్ ఇన్ అండర్ గ్రౌండ్. చాలా టైట్గా ఫిక్స్ చేసి ఉంటాయి సాయిల్ అన్ని రూట్స్కి డీప్గా పెనట్రేట్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో దట్స్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ రూట్. The flat portion of the leaf is called, is it lamina or midrib or vein, petiole? Which is the right answer? Its answer is A, lamina. This is the right answer. Lamina ne inkoti another name is we can also call as a leaf blade. To produce the fruits should be dash should be taken place. Is it venation, transpiration, pollination, absorption? To produce fruit and pollination should be takes place, right? C is the right answer. The root penetrate deep into the soil to get water, minerals, both A and B. Which is the right answer? Both A and B, minerals and water. Banana oil is made from, is it petroleum, is it water, kerosene, diesel? It's a banana oil. It's a made up from, it's a petroleum. A is the right answer. Yeah. Next, plant with a fibrous root have dash venation. Is it reticulate, parallel, or both A and B, and none? Which is the right answer? Plants with fibrous root have a B, parallel venation. Examples, parallel venations. Examples are grass, rice. Ivanni examples, etc. Next one, plants with the taproots have a dash venation. Is it reticulate, parallel, both A and B, or D, none? Which is the right answer? Plants with taproot have a reticulate venation. A is the right answer. And these taproot examples ఏంటంటే like taproot examples like carrot or rose. Those are the examples of a taproot. Garlic is modified from, is it root, branch, stem, flower? Its answer is garlic is modified from it's a stem. C is the right answer. And garlic, it is a underground modified stem. In coconut plant, dash root system is present. Is it tab, fibrous, both A and B? D, none. Which is the right answer? In a coconut plant, fibrous root is present. B is the right answer. Next, the root bulges out are called dash roots. Is it tab, fibrous, tuberous, all the above? Its answer is a C. Tuberous is the right answer. The money plant leaf has dash shape. They are asking the money plant has a leaf. Which shape they are having? The money plant having a triangular shape. B is the right answer. In which district traditional and mythological figures are drawn with bright colors on dried leaves? Nalgonda, Adilabad, Warangal, or Karimnagar? Its answer is Warangal. In Warangal district, traditional cottage industries where pictures are with various like traditional mythological figures are drawn on like bright colors on dried leaves they drawed. So it's a Warangal. Exchange of gases take place in it's a stomata, root, leaf, stem. Exchange of gases takes place in a stomata. A is the right answer. Next, dash act as a skeleton of the leaf. Is it petiole, midrib, lamina, venation? Dash act as a skeleton of leaf. Is it venation? D is the right, Venetian. It's actually Venetian I discussed first bit మనం డిస్కస్ చేశాం కదా. It gives shape and support to the leaf. The cotton plant leaf has dash shape, round or palm or triangular, none. It's a palm shape. It's a B is the right answer. Next one. This they gave figure, right? Is it a lamina or midrib, vein, petiole? So what is this అని చెప్తున్నారు. What is this name అంటున్నా. It's a lamina, which part అని అడుగుతున్నారు. Lamina, midrib, vein, petiole. It's a answer is a, it's a petiole. D is the right answer. This is a petiole. This one is a petiole. Next, choose the correct answer. Petals, stomata, venation, photosynthesis, and nose of the leaf, skeleton of the leaf, attracts insects, and food preparation for plant. Petals, petals they attract the insects kada. Flower part lo petals they attract the insect. Next one, stomato is the nose of the leaf. And next, venation is it's a skeleton of the leaf. Photosynthesis nothing but it for food preparation for the plant. So C is the right answer. Carrot stores food material in its roots or stem or leaf or flower. They store food material in their roots. A is the right answer. 96% of the raw cucumber is it alcohol, acid, water, all of this. Its answer is C, water. అండ్ మనకి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ఇంకో బిట్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు. ఏదో లైక్ 84% ఆఫ్ ద రా యాపిల్, ఆ రా యాపిల్లో ఎంత వాటర్ ఉంటుంది అని మనకి ఎగ్జామ్లో వస్తే ఇట్స్ 84%. Next one, the process of water release in the form of vapor in a plant is called breathing, transpiration, photosynthesis, all of this. Its answer is the process of water release in the form of vapors in plants, that is called as transpiration. The main root of a plant is known as a taproot or fibrous root or tuber root, none. The main root of the plant, it is known as a taproot. The main root of the plant దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే థిక్గా ఉంటుంది, సో దట్ ఈస్ a taproot. The hair like root system of a plant is called, the hair like మనకి మెయిన్ రూట్ కాకుండా పక్కన థిన్ హెయిర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, hair like root system are present, దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే fibrous root. So B is the right answer. Next one, identify the given part. They are asking identify what is this part. అంటే మనకి లీఫ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, లీఫ్ మీద వెయిన్స్, మిడ్రిబ్, పిట్యూల్, లామినా ఉంటాయి కదా. సో ఇట్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ veins are present in the leaf. Missing part in the picture of the plant, is it a plant body, stem or root or leaves or flowers? So here roots are missing, so it will be answer B, roots. Parallel venation can be seen. Parallel venation can be seen in leaves of the grass or leaves of a peepal tree, or both A and B, and none of this. Parallel venation can be seen in the leaves of a grass. Next, veins of a leaf can be seen in a lamina of leaf or petiole of a leaf, of both A and B, all the above, which is the right answer. It's a lamina of the leaf. Veins of a leaf can be seen in lamina of a leaf. Next, on the basis of a height and other characteristics of a neem plant is classified as a herb, shrub, tree, any of this. Neem plant, so it is a tree, it belongs to a tree. Select the one in which branches appear higher upon the stem, brinjal, wheat, mango, none of this. Branches appear higher on the stem, its answer is mango. Branches appear in the mango tree. Next, a plant has green and tender stem, the plant is most like to belongs to which category? It's a green tender like stem, means its answer is a herb. Next one, Isolation, trees or plants which are very tall, they have a hard and thick brown stems. A and a reason is lamina is thin, flat, broad, green part of the leaf. Which is the right answer? Both A and R are true, but R is correct explanation of A, and both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false, and D is false, but R is true. Which is the right answer? Trees are trees or plants which are very tall. They have a hard and thick brown stem. Yes, A is right. And lamina is thin, flat, broad, green part of the leaf. So both A and B are right, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Next one, exhalation. The part of a typical flowers are sepals and petals only. They are saying the part of a typical flower are having only sepals and petals. Reason, the parts of stamina or filament and anther. Stamina or filament and anther. First one, A. Both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. And D, A is false, but R is true. Which is the right answer? They are saying the part of the typical flower are having a sepals petal. Only sepals petals ఉంటాయా flower లో? No, they are having a sepals petals, stamens and carpels also. So A is wrong. Means A is false. Which one is yeah, D. A is false, but R is true. D is the right answer. The picture given below pistil. Label its part A, B, C correctly. A style stigma ovary, A it's a stigma style ovary, or A it's a ovary style stigma. Which is the right answer? This is a stigma, and this is B, this is a style, and this is a ovary. లోపల చిన్న చిన్న అవి ఉంటాయి కదా డాట్స్, సో అవి ఏంటంటే ఓవిల్స్ అని కూడా అంటాం. ఓవిల్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయంటే లోపల ఉంటాయి చిన్న చిన్న స్మాల్, సో దోస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఓవిల్స్. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.